Ready to give your home a more luxurious look without the hassle? These luxury Amazon furniture pieces and home gadgets combine stunning design with smart functionality to make every room feel more stylish and comfortable. Whether you're upgrading your living space or adding those finishing touches, there's something here you'll definitely want. All products are linked in the description below. Your bedroom just got a serious upgrade. This sleigh bed hides a TV stand right in the footboard. Press the remote, and a screen rises up like magic. A flame effect panel glows nearby, turning your room into a cozy retreat. The tufted headboard isn't just for looks either. It's packing built-in Bluetooth speakers and color-changing LED strips, all run from one wireless remote. The velvet upholstery is diamond quilted for a plush, high-end feel. And don't worry about strength. Steel reinforcements let it hold up to 660 pounds. No box spring needed. Assembly takes about 90 minutes thanks to a numbered, easy-to-follow system. One bed, endless comfort and entertainment. Sleep isn't one size fits all, and this bed gets that. Raise your head up to 75 degrees or your feet up to 45, finding the exact angle that eases back pain or stops snoring in its tracks. Hit the zero gravity setting and feel weightless, like you're floating. The remote even remembers your favorite positions, so perfect comfort is just one button away. Underneath, soft lighting sets the mood, and built-in USB ports keep your phone charged overnight. Need a little extra relaxation? Try the massage modes. The mattress itself uses gel-infused memory foam to keep you cool and pressure-free all night. It's smart sleep, fully customized to you. Your nightstand can do more than hold a lamp. This set glows from within, with built-in LED strips you control by hand or right from your phone. Perfect for setting the mood or reading late at night without flipping on harsh overhead lights. Sized just right at 19.3 inches wide, it tucks beside a king, queen, or full bed without crowding your space, while the extra depth gives you plenty of room to store essentials. Smooth glide drawers slide open quietly, keeping glasses, chargers, and remotes tidy and within reach. Built from sturdy engineered wood, it's designed to hold up to daily use for years. Assembly won't eat your afternoon either. Most people finish in under 15 minutes, tools included. It's ambiance and organization working together. Mornings deserve a dedicated spot, and this cabinet delivers exactly that. Built with a designated space for your mini fridge, it keeps drinks, creamer, or wine perfectly chilled and out of the way. Up top, a roomy wood countertop gives you space for a coffee machine, bottles, or bar tools, everything you need for a morning brew or a weekend cocktail night. The matte black finish paired with warm wood grain and gold hardware brings a modern, polished look to any room. A spacious drawer and lower cabinet hide away mugs, pods, and snacks, keeping countertops clutter-free. Adjustable feet keep it steady, and pre-cut vent holes let your fridge breathe properly. It's a thoughtful little station built for your everyday ritual. This one piece of furniture wears a lot of hats. Use it as a seat, a side table, or just a glowing accent. It adapts to wherever you need it. Pick from 16 vibrant colors and 4 lighting effects, all from the included remote to match any mood or party theme. A built-in battery keeps it shining for up to 48 hours on a single charge, so it's ready for long nights by the pool or backyard gatherings. Sturdy PE construction holds up to 350 pounds, while an IP65 waterproof rating means rain or splashes won't slow it down. The surface stays cool to the touch, even while lit up. Indoors or out, it brings color and function to any space. Game night just got an upgrade. This chair packs in 2 Bluetooth speakers, so sound streams straight from your phone or laptop right where you're sitting. Wrapped around you, RGB lights shift through different modes with a simple click of the remote, instantly leveling up your setup's whole vibe. Feeling tense after a long session? Twin motors built into the lumbar pillow massage your lower back, melting away stress right where you sit. The backrest reclines up to 135 degrees, the armrests move right along with it, and a gas lift cylinder adjusts your height with ease. Need a break? Pull out the footrest and catch a quick nap. Built to hold up to 397 pounds, it's comfort built for the long haul. Tired of squinting at a TV from the wrong angle? This stand fixes that. It fits most screens from 27 to 65 inches, and a 70-degree swivel lets you turn the display until it's pointed exactly where you're sitting. Height adjusts across multiple levels too, so you can find the perfect spot whether you're in bed or on the couch. A solid tempered glass base meets a sturdy steel pillar, holding up to 77 pounds while keeping a sleek, modern look in your room. Everything comes labeled and numbered, so setup takes about 15 minutes, no guesswork involved. A built-in wire clip keeps cables tucked away too, so your space stays neat and tidy. This little table is hiding some big tricks. Set your phone on top and it charges wirelessly. No cords needed, while the hidden USB port keeps your other devices powered up too. But it's also a speaker. Connect over Bluetooth or plug in with the aux port, and a 30-watt stereo system fills the room with sound. Solid wood legs and a refined linen-wrapped top give it a clean, elegant look that fits right into rustic, modern, or bohemian spaces alike. At just 16 inches square, it tucks easily beside a bed, sofa, or desk. Setup takes minutes, no tools required. It's a side table, charger, and speaker, all working as one. Picture sinking into a chair that does everything for you. Just speak, and this recliner adjusts its angle, turns on the speaker, or changes the volume. No remote needed. It swivels a full 270 degrees and rocks smoothly, so you can shift from facing the TV to chatting with family in seconds. Wide armrests hide extra storage underneath, while the sturdy faux leather covers a thick foam and spring cushion combo, keeping support firm even after years of use. The high backrest wraps around your neck and waist for full comfort. With a phone stand, USB ports, and a 350-pound capacity, it's built for real relaxation, whether you're watching a movie or just taking a break. This coffee table is basically a mini fridge in disguise. 2 built-in drawers chill your drinks and snacks in separate compartments, each with its own adjustable temperature, so cold drinks stay cold and fruit stays fresh without mixing odors. A quiet compressor system automatically adjusts cooling based on what's inside and the room around it. Need music? Dual Bluetooth speakers stream sound from up to 33 feet away, so you can play it from another room entirely. On top, a wireless charger powers your phone instantly, while USB and Type-C ports along the side keep every device topped off. 2 power outlets are built in too, ready for whatever your living room needs. It's a table that works as hard as you do. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.